One of the many things I love about birding is that it shows me things I would never have seen or experienced. I love that it takes me to places that are timeless. I'm hoping when I go to Switzerland, that's the experience that I'm going to have there. JFK, flying Swiss. Some people do yoga. I do birding. Hello? Yes. I would like to take the tram to the top, please. I've had a dream in which I could fly, and it was just a sense of complete freedom and wonder. Maybe it's true of all animals that they're not distracted by a lot of the things that people are distracted by, and I can sort of experience that a bit when I'm out there birding. I'm just completely in the moment, and I think animals are sort of in that moment. With birding and with traveling, one thing that they both have in common is that feeling of, you sort of have a plan when you go, but then you never know what you're going to see. The things that surprise you are the ones that end up staying with you. And I know that many of the things I did during this time will be things that I will remember for the rest of my life.